Here we go again. This is just yet another delivery that we got. This right here is basic F case. And it's super rare to have gotten two basic cases in less than a week, but that's exactly what happened here. We got E last week. We got F this week. We're going to pop it open, see what we get. Take down a top-down view, and right off the bat I see some bent cards. Check that out. Oh, I think I see a Thomas the Train. Alright, as usual. I'm going to go 3x3. The first three in the case are actually all three cars that we've had before. We've got the Donut Drifter, the Honda Monkey Z50, and the Tesla Model 3. The next three in the case, we've got the Diaper Dragger, which we've had before. And then we've got two new cars here. We've got the Subaru Impreza, which says new for 2020. Check that thing out. As you know, we love the STI. This is the STI from 1998. And something interesting is, I wonder when they did the first STI. Anybody out there know that? It's got a sick dark red paint on it, maroon. And then they have a new paint for the Mazda RX-7. It's very cool. The next three in the case are the Runway Rescue, which we've had before. Then we've got a new color of the Ford Mustang. And then I think we also have a new color of the Road Bandit. Check that Mustang out. Kind of got the retro on it. And then here's the Road Bandit. I think the other one was orange. The next three in the case are the Circle Trucker. Oh, there's the treasure hunt. Is the Circle Trucker. Just saw that logo. It's got the bright orange wheels on it. Then we have the Warp Speeder, which we've had before, and the Aisle Driver, which we've also had before. The next three in the case, the Baja Truck is not new. Then we have the Mattel Dreammobile and the Locomotion Thomas and Friends. Take a look at this one. This one right here is going to be popular. I can just tell you by looking at it. It's new for 2020. Thomas the Train Hot Wheel. That seems like an obvious pair up. Then you got the Mattel Dreammobile. That's very cool. It's got the Mattel 75 in the top left. This is also new for 2020. Very cool. The next three in the case are actually all three that we've had before. We have a 69 Chevelle, a La Fasta, and a Tesla Model 3. Then we also have the Golf Mustang 2x2, and then the Cadillac Fleetwood Green, which we've had. Check this out. This is a new color of the Tooligan. It's a purple. It's got the wrench on the back of it, as you guys have seen the Tooligan before. Next three in the case are all cars that we've had before. We've got a Golf Mustang. We've got a Fished and Chipped. And then we have a Baja Truck. The next three, we have two I Believes, which were also in E-case. And then we have a new color of the Land Rover Series 3 pickup. I think the other one was like a seafoam. This one's tan. It's got Baja Blazers on the hood there. On the side as well. Very cool car. The next three that we have are, we have another Runway Rescue. We have an Audi R5 Coupe, which was in E-case. And then we have the Nissan Silvia, which was in E-case also. Very cool car. The next three are the Range Rover Velar, which we had in E-case. This is a new one right here. The Turbone Charged. I don't remember that one before. Maybe that came out in a different year in a different color. And then we have the wheelie chair. And then the last three in the top level, we have the awesome Honda CRX, which was in E-case. We've got a Carbonator, which we've had a couple of those this year. We've got a Geoterra. In the bottom layer, do a top-down view. Check these out. We've got a black Copo Camaro SS, which is a new color. We've got the very cool Baja Bug. Look at that thing, guys. And then we've got the Mod Rod, which we've had before. The next three in the case are the Indy 500 Oval. I think that's a new color. The Grupo times 24, and then another Land Rover pickup. Then we have the Time a Taxi, the Clip Rod, and the Porsche 918 Spider, which we've had before. Then we have a Mod Rod, High-Tech Missile, and Aero Pod. All three of those we've had before. This one seems to have a few repeats, guys. That's for sure. We've got the golden Batmobile. We've got the Clip Rod, and we've got a nice blue Mazda RX-7 that says Mazda Speed on it. We've got the Quick Bite, the 69 Chevelle, and the Baja Bug again. We've got the Circle Tracker, which was in E-case. We've got the El Viento and the 49 Ford F1, which were also in E. We've got a Chill Mill, a Quick Bite, a Roger Dodger, all of which we've had before. We've got one more Thomas the Train, which is new for this case. Then we've got the Geoterra and the Circle Tracker, which we had last case. And we're down to the last 9. And we've got, oh, that's cool. We've got a Formula E Gen 2 car. That's new for this case letter. Very cool. We've got the purple Tooligan again and another Audi. We've got one more of the Formula E Gen 2 car. We've got the Rocket League green Octane. We've got the white CRX again, which is very cool. And then the last three in the car We've also had all of these. Range Rover Velar, the 64 Chevy Impala, and the El Viento. And as you guys can tell, the F case has a few repeats in it. It's got some nice goodies though, including the Thomas the Train. Here's a top-down view. Again, thank you for joining us. This is Wheel Collectors Hot Off the Truck. This is the Basic F case, which is coming in shortly after Basic E last Friday. Thanks again, guys. Have a great weekend. Wheel Collectors is out.